Hello, I'm Mac. Today I bring up is HUAYEE14G. This look like 14C, but it's not gasoline engine. This diesel engine, KUBOTA D722 3-cylinder. They can support your home everywhere work. This machine is only 90 centimeters, so it's 35 inch. This machine can easily inside your yard or inside some room. If you have some brick work, it can inside the room. So this height only 1.75 meters. So also this canopy can move to out. So this also safety lever in back side. So also keep the safe. Also this is joystick work. So this pallet pressure, we have 2 gear pump. One is for main pressure, one is for pallet pressure. So this is real pallet control. So about this boom swing and the hydraulic thumb, we also have the safety cover. Where all grease nipple give to safety cover. So all grease nipple. Also all pin we give double safety lock. Even this main pin, we also this side have bolt, this side also has a big nut. So all give the double security. About our hydraulic pipe, we all use the Germany brand Continental. So we also give the spring product because sometimes maybe you work in tree or work in forest. So we get the spring. So here we all pipe give to lock. HUAYEE14G, we have a 3-piece meter. One is for battery voltage, one piece for this machine how many hours running. So from the key on, there will be the meter will running. So this one for the engine water temperature, we can continue understand this machine how many temperature. So this one for the warning light. When you after start the machine, we will get the problem. This light will be on. So this one is door plate. Sometimes we are working in the forest. We have make one cover. If you any trust coming, then not the cylinder will get the product. So this side we have the meter for check the fuel tank. So how many fuel you have, you can check. Now it's full. So also filling is easily. Here have one cups. We can easily to fill in. When we fill in, our machine this like a machinery, it cannot go filling station. So inside also have one filter. This right side for hydraulic. Hydraulic is 1 to 6 is always okay, but normal time we suppose is 3 to 5 is okay. Here we have the filling the hydraulic port. So when we fill in here, we have around 6-piece bolt. After we open, inside have the suction filter and the retain filter. So the system hydraulic system easily to maintenance. Here have downside have drain bolt. We get some machine some swing. We can easily to drain out the hydraulic. So this machine also is give to enough space. I'm 240 pounds. Operation this machine is easily also get enough space. So I want to show this some machine this function. We have the safety lock. When I start this joystick will be not work if I not open the switch. So this time this joystick will be not work. We have the boom swing lock, safety lock, and hydraulic some safety lock. So we are not operating the boom swing. I can put my feet in here. Also is safety. When I want the boom swing, I will open this cover. So when you buy this machine, maybe your attention we go some Django or heel work. Maybe this machine don't have the brake. So let's see. We make one heel around 30 degree. Let's see the machine performance. So when you receive this machine, we can check this every pin, pipe, connector, looking around, get any issue. If you have any issue, you can call me or you can call your service, the sales manager. Also, you know this. I will show this machine how can maintenance. When you receive this machine after 10 hours, we can change the engine oil. So when we buy this machine, after 10 hours, I suppose you change the engine oil filter, also diesel filter, like fuel filter. So this engine is KUBOTA engine. It's international engine, so you can easily get a part. Here's filter, engine oil filter. Here's diesel filter. Here is water separator filter. This water separator no need to change, just clean is okay. So here you can change. Here is oil dipstick. We can check the engine oil. So if you buy the part, I suppose you buy the general part. So you can buy from us or you can buy from KUBOTA dealer. So after 50 hours, I suppose you change the hydraulic oil. If you want this machine details or something you want to know, you can leave the message or you can call me. I'm Mac. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.